Okay, some more Valentine related gift sets, witchy of course. For this set, we're going to start with this trinket dish with a heart bowl, little pink and white. Let's fill this bowl up and put something on the side. I was thinking about adding some rose quartz chunks, but look, it doesn't look right. So let's find something else. I do have this crystal mini bouquet, and actually it fits really nicely. You still see the heart shape, the little bouquet. Yeah, I like it. So I was thinking about what to add here. I had this body oil, but that was too pink somehow. It wasn't the right shape of, well, color of pink. And then I was like, this gorgeous gold double point rose quartz bracelet, but that doesn't look right either. And then I found this soap bar, the Sweetheart soap bar, with a little bracelet. It's a set. And look, that looks better because this isn't pink, but more like peachy, I think. And look how perfect it fits. This is a good set. I like it. It's not too pink, it's pretty. And it's still very lovely. So let's make it a set. Okay, as I don't want too much pink, we're going with a black box and some white gold tissue paper. Here we go. Let's add it like that. Oh no. Let's see. Of course, when shipping, we're going to change it up. I like it around here. I like that more. Yes, like that. So this is a very, still a little bit pink, but not too pink. More peachy pink set. And let's get with another set. I also have these adorable little Valentine Pokemon keychains. They are shakers. Look how cute. But these are not going to be in a set. These are going to be loose. I also have this pink opal crystal bouquet. Not in a set, just loose. Okay, for the next set, I have this Cupid's Arrow bed salt set with a mystery crystal. A DIY love potion set. Everything is inside this cauldron that you need to make a love potion in a little bottle. And a rose quartz bracelet. So this is perfect for Valentine's Day. This is giving me Valentine's Day activities. Perfect. So for this one I'm going to use a little bag. And of course some tissue paper. That. We're going to put the bed salt on top of there. Like that. The cauldron a little to the back. Then the bottle like that. And I'm going to put something around here. Perfect. Now we put that up front. And I'm going to put a little bow on here. Oh my goodness. Putting this one to the back. This one a little bit like that. Perfect. I am doing this one just loose with 3 incense holders, not incense sticks, because we need a little bit loose items too. Here we go. We don't count this as a set, right? This is just included. It's not really a set. Okay, the last set. A rose quartz water bottle, and the chips are of course completely separate from the liquid. A little arms and hands soap bar, a rose quartz chunk, and 2 bracelets. So this is really more a self-love set. With this one we're going to do some sparkly tissue paper. I'm not sure if I want this because I don't know. I think with shipping, of course, I'm packing everything separately when shipping, but this one needs to be completely separately because otherwise it will be too much. But other than that, I love this set.